Hi there, welcome to 1-2 Steps. In today's video, I am going to show you how to delete a Spotify playlist. Spotify is a proprietary Swedish audio streaming and media service provider founded on 23rd April 2006 by Daniel Ek and Martin Lorentzen. It is one of the largest music streaming service provided with 433 million monthly active users. To delete a Spotify playlist, first we need to open Spotify and log into Spotify. After opening and logging to Spotify, go to the section called Your Library. And after going there, you will see your playlist. Now click on the playlist that you want to delete. And click on the three dots. Now there is an option called Delete Playlist. Click on that and click on Delete. So now you can see the playlist has been deleted. So that was the process of deleting playlist on Spotify. If you find this video useful, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified of our newest upload. For now, thank you for watching the video.